My name is Rada. I'm human, and I am the man who built Wasteless World for 12 years. I started as a steel factory worker, and today I'm still more time in a boiler suit than in a tie around my neck. Because Industry 5.0 became the trend of the century, and I'm the founder of Industry 5.0, I will aim the implementation of systematic waste prevention methodology in up to the industries of entire nations, companies, and corporations. The aim of Industry 5.0 is to build Wasteless World, and I will teach you how to do that. It is important to say that everyone can prevent waste to happen. And it is important to understand that if speaking about waste, we speak about not only about the physical waste, but social, urban, process, and wasting of time. And let me teach you how to prevent all these waste to happen for your economies and companies to be stronger, more effective, and resilient at the same time. I'm looking forward to see you on a conference. So let's meet, let's talk, and let's change the world together. Stay safe, be free, and be human.